So we're seeing a shop on rent and sale and newly renovated and newly painted as well in 4 bungalows near Good Shepherd Church. This is one of the buildings, and that's where you entered from. So that's the main road, the fish market, and you can use this shop for salon. It's ideal for salon and spa if you like. It's self-contained, so it's a big one, 600 carpet, easily about 16 to 20 feet. Darshan, the facade, the outside, the tiling, the flooring, the marble ceiling, everything is done anew. Excellent. So that's pantry, bathrooms. So this is on rent and sale. You can use this for interior designing, office. You can use it for induction cooking. You can use it for retail if you like. Medical shop. I know medical shops are outside always on the road facing. There's another entry and exit from here. So it's a big shop, good ceiling height, about 8 odd feet, and that's the same place that we came from. We got another entry and exit and newly painted stuff, totally new. This is on rent and sale in 4 bungalows, close to in between Warsaw Metro and DN Nagar Metro. So ample of space. Use it for your office, use it for anything that you like. Rafique Merchant, new properties every day on my YouTube channel. Cheers.